In one's career, like gardening, there's a season for everything, and the time has come for me to retire. As I prepare for the next chapter, I was reminiscing about all the fun we've had on Southern Gardening. Here's a few of my favorite moments. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman for Southern Gardening. Shishigashiro! Woo! Valentine's Day produced a couple of memorable impersonations. I don't normally watch television for advice on love, but when I do, it's Southern Gardening.
My friend, the Southern Gardener.
Wow! Thanks, Godfather! I even discussed plant science as the mad plant scientist.
Your celery master.
Great Scott, Marty! You're a genius! And who doesn't like the fall season when the naked ladies are in the garden? Which, by the way, is Southern Gardening's most popular segment on YouTube. Who knew? I've had the chance to show off my horticulture wizard skills. When crepe murder's involved, it's time to call CSI Horticulture Unit. We even looked at the struggle with good and evil in the garden.
Whoa.
You're right. Let's do this. We've had guest hosts like my bloom buddy, Puff, the magic snapdragon.
Never mind. He's horticulturist Gary Bachman for Southern Gardening.
Great face. Great job. Now don't worry, I'll still be around because the horticulture never stops. Let's stay in touch on my social media channels. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I appreciate you joining me through the years on Southern Gardening.